I ordered these products like a month ago because Sephora had a sale, and I'm just gonna show y'all what I got. So first, just a regular eyebrow pencil, Sephora. This is the 208 brow filler and spoolie from the Sephora brand. And then I got this Kilowatt highlight palette from Fenty Beauty that I've been wanting to try. And then I got this little coffee bean beauty blenders from Sephora brand that actually put me in the mind of Beauty Bakery. So yeah, I've been wanting to try these products, and here we are. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on our makeup. So I'm just gonna go ahead with this new pencil. Focus. So it just has the spoolie and then the tip. So yeah, it's more feathery than my other brush, so it should give me like a more feathery brow. Been through my strong brow phase and I'm pretty much over it, just because my eyebrows are so thick that it just does not work for me anymore, the look that I want. I haven't really put on makeup in a minute, like, yeah, I've just been trying to get my life together. What else has been going on? Nothing really, just trying to plan and manifest and pray. And I just want to sit down and talk more and become more personable with you guys, because you know, a lot of people who watch my videos tell me that they would love for me to talk more, that they love my energy and love my personality, and you know, that's just natural. No, I'm not really trying to force anything, I'm just being myself. And it's hard because I am a shy person, I am like a introvert, so it's hard sitting in front of a camera and trying to, you know, project your personality to the camera. I mean, it's easy because it's no one here, you're not really talking to anyone, they're not like actually, you know, it's not like a face-to-face conversation. But it's hard because it's like, you know, people are gonna watch the video and it's like, okay, it's like, I can't explain it. So I hope y'all get what I'm saying. If you don't, you don't. Okay, first elf poreless primer, then I'm going in right after that with the Fenty Beauty primer, and then I'm going to go in with the Milk Cosmetics primer. It doesn't matter which order. Fall is near, fall is just everything to me. So I'm going to be going in with this Tarte palette. This is how it looks. You know, it's a little beat up. Don't talk about her, okay? This is one of the first palettes I ever have. Now I do have eyelash extensions on, so I'm not trying to mess those up. But this shade is so pretty. This is my first fall look of 2020, so I'm excited. So I'm gonna go in with the Tars, but first I'm gonna color correct just a little bit. It's blending out the foundation pretty well. Y'all can see. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty first, and I'm just trying Well, this is like my new foundation routine. I like to go in with a concealer that's close to my skin tone and then go over it for highlighting. And I'm just gonna go in with literally a dot of this Shape Tape. Now I don't wear the Shape Tape in the hot seasons. It's too heavy. I be hot, like I don't have time at all. Take that down my nose. This is a trick I've been doing for so long, like maybe since high school. Like after I bronze my nose, I take the concealer back on my nose, and then I take my bronzer again and just line it up and clean it up. Then I let the concealer stay on there and dry on there, so my nose can be snatched all day. I'm going to go in with my Sephora Micro Smooth, and then I'm going to just take this little small fluffy brush and go in up under my eyes. And then I'm going to take the same brush, and this is a Real Techniques brush, by the way. This is the setting brush, which is exactly what I'm using it for. So, but I normally don't use it for this, so I did not know this was even a setting brush. So wow. And then I'm gonna take my Urban Decay. I really need to cover my lashes because I'm not messing up my lashes. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna take this pouch from my brush. Whew. Lips, I'm gonna go in with this brown pencil. I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline in the shade Truffle 930. Then next I'm gonna go in with this NYX Butter Gloss. This is in the color Madeline. Okay, we're gonna see what this highlight talking about. What color do I want to use? I think I'm gonna use this orange shade. I'm gonna take the orange right here and then up into my brow bone lightly, because I'm really not into a highlighter anymore. But yeah, that's it for this look. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this brown, and then this whitish shade right here, and then this brown, this orange, and then the white into my inner corners. So that's it for this look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all again.